skateboard에서 저기
That was double, you idiot.
I went backwards. Hey there, little whippersnappers. This is Chuck Norris, and I will be teaching you Philly shove-its. This is how to do it. You do like this, do a normal pop shove it, and then go like that. So it turns out like this. Do a sexy one for you right here. Sexy, sexy, sexy. And you can do a switch and front side.
Whoa.
And tray flip. Alright, for all you gangsters out here in the world, this is called the bullshit trick. And once you get that down, you can have variations. The double bullshit trick. But those are hard, kids. Never do this trick. It's the lamest trick ever.
Or you can go like this. You can put it like that and be like,
Or a switch bullshit trick. I don't think I've ever done this before. I don't know how to do it. You want to see it?
give me a couple tries. Okay. Yes! Okay, how you do this? I really know where this comes from. You go like this, you kick flip like, and then you stop the finish with your foot, and then you be like, then it goes like, then you land bolt, you ride away, and then all your friends are jealous of you.
Let's see that trick again, Bobby. Do it again, son.
Damn it! Okay.
Yay! Joe, do it! That was cleaner than Bob's.
what?
It was cleaner than Bob's.
I should do that. Trick tip, please.